Yeah, about 2 hours. It's long way.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the map from here. We are from Dry Drang Beach, Dry Drang, Patong here. Then we drive up to the north of Phuket Island, pass by Phuket Town, pass by Talang Town, and then we are crossing the bridge to the mainland.
Okay.
Then we get the boat here, Phang Nga province. Thailand we divide into the province. We have 77 provinces. Phuket province, Phang Nga province, Bangkok province, Chiang Mai province, and today we go to Phang Nga province. By boat from the pier to James Bond Island, just half an hour to 45 minutes.
Hey everyone, we just arrived at Phang Nga area and we're getting ready to get on a longtail boat to James Bond Island. This is really exciting. It's one of the things I've been wanting to do.
James Bond Island.
Yeah, and we got a private tour. Us, my mom and dad, and our tour guide.
But it's an easy...
Yeah, it's easy day Phuket. And what's good about this one is that we're hitting James Bond Island pretty early to try to avoid the crowds. So let's see how it goes.
In the front.
Hold that, please.
Oh my gosh, it's hot. My booty's burning.
Alright.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
thank you.
think we should switch sides to even out the weight.
Come on. No importa. Okay, then I'll jump over you. Papa's gonna hit you, Javi.
Oh shoot.
Oh God, I almost fell off. Alright, so we have arrived at James Bond Island. You have to pay $300 per person, so it's like the national park fee, but you get a ticket and then you have access to the rest of the island. So we are climbing some stairs and we are gonna see what's up here on the other side after we get our morning hike in, you know?
Okay, 1 second.
So now we are officially on the beach, but literally you take pictures here, like that's what it is. It's like a major photo shoot. It's super cool. walking through Koh Panyi, which is Panyi Island. It's been around for 200 years, but it only recently became as popular as it is. It's a place where I guess all the tourists stop after they visit the James Bond Island. So basically it's just a shopping market. Yeah. Come get some souvenirs on your trip. Village. So basically all the houses and everything is on stilts. They have everything on this island. They have schools, a hospital. They even have a floating, oh okay, it's slippery. They even have a floating basketball court. Oh god, it is slippery.
It's actually a soccer field.
Sorry, they have a floating soccer field. You like my technique? 1 foot, slide. 1 foot, slide. Now we get on our little longboat. I think we're going to eat lunch now, right?
Woohoo!
Food. And we're back.
And we suck.
Because we suck. Our battery died. So we didn't even get to wrap up everything and tell you everything we wanted to and kind of like recap how everything went and what our thoughts are. I loved going through Phang Nga Bay and it was super cool riding on that longboat by ourselves. Having the longboat to ourselves and getting there was great. It was super well organized and Easy Day Phuket was really great. I love that part. But
this particular tour, one of the pools was that we got to James Bond Island early, but it wasn't nearly early enough, I don't think.
At all, actually.
Yeah, there was just tons of people. It's good to just go snap your photos if you get a chance, and I mean, it makes a great Instagram spot for sure. The structure itself, that huge rock it's really neat. I mean, it's really cool to look at, but you know, you just turn to your left and right and there's just tons and tons of people. So what I would do different and what I would recommend for you if you're gonna do Phang Nga is to book a sunrise tour, and that'll get you there as early as possible and
avoid the crowds.
Yes, avoid the crowds.
So if you did enjoy this video and you think you would love to book a tour too, Easy Day Phuket was super great.
Yeah.
Totally recommend it.
That's what we deal with.
Yes.